Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn architecture of Magento 2. So guys, shall we start directory system of Magento 2? So guys, lots of files. Magento 2, same as Magento 1, have here many files and something is different. So start from app, same as Magento 1, but here is something different. No worries. So app folder contains the design folder for theme and configure files connection enp.php. So guys, here is code directory. Code is contains the local modules and design contains your custom theme, right? And etc have your env file for connection file, right? Di for directory compilation files, right? So these are in main files in app directory, right? So we are learn how to develop theme in upcoming videos. So definitely work on design folder and how can develop Magento module. So definitely we are work on code directory. So and again folder is bin. Bin basically contains the Magento 2 command line tool. So inside the bin, you see the Magento, right? Suppose in command line we are run here is like PHP win Magento. So this is Magento. Work on Magento like cache flush. So here is work on this Magento, right? Uh, I think it's take bit little bit time because just install Magento 2. So this is first time flash cache, so it little bit take time. I think hmm, I have any other issue? I think no. Don't know why this take Houston. Oh yeah, yes. So this is first time cache flashing, so take little bit time. So this is Magento. Basically, here is use Magento, win Magento inside the win and Magento, right? So this is win, and again is directory is dev. So dev directories contain the testing files for Magento 2 functional testing framework like unit testing, and you can check your function, everything you can. Here is available all tools for like you can see grant Magento tools PSR. So this is guys all have testing tools available in Magento 2. You can write your custom modules or theme, so you can try to your on-site right unit testing, right? No need for any other tester for unit testing. This is a smart way of for writing code. Laravel also provide unit testing, so same as here about unit testing. And guys, once more is generated. Generated generated comes only Magento 2.2. In 2.1 and 2.1.9, nothing is generated directly. This is comes in Magento 2. So guys, this is like a renderization time of Magento. This is cloning of all modules in Magento 2. These are all modules, core modules of Magento 2. So this is work like a proxy system. Here is also Magento modules and Magento vendor folder also available Magento modules. And your core modules is available on app code, inside app code here. So this is proxy system of Magento 2. Like we will discuss in future, we then the time write a code of local modules. And again is lib. So guys, lib is similar to Magento 1.1. Here have various type of libraries like internal lib in font libraries available here, and web css and jquery, knockout.js, jquery, internationalization for languages converter, right? And more, and required js, prototype, modernizer, mage filer, mage, all libraries available in this directory. Okay. And again is php server. This is very important. Here is manage routing. Here is available router.php files. Guys, if you learn, you know about Laravel and Coordinator. So every controller have a on route. Same as here is define the all of things is root, like media, opt, static, and all of things available here. If you are using cdn, so you can define here path also. So we will discuss in explaining all wide range. So here is only just a quick overview, so don't worry about it. And pub, this is again very important folder, contains generated static files and your site media. Here is available media folder and static contents, because in Magento 2 system is every static content deploy blog and some HTML things rendering Magento at the time of controlling, and you can see the containing files, right? Some files is cloning like HTML. So this is just temporary file system. Okay. And media directory system also. And again is setup. Setup is like several important packages are like performance toolkit. Here is you can see is configure and performance toolkit for a reporting file system and config and all things. And again is update. So guys, update is similar to Magento 1.1, like downloader. So here is available only upgrade file system, app, dab, and all things. Magento upgrading system available here. And where similar to Magento 1, here is contains a raw cache file system and the reporting system and logs. You can see cache, log, and reporting system, all things, right? And vendor, very important in vendor 2. Sorry, Magento 2 in vendor. So guys, Magento in Magento 2 vendor contains like in Magento 1 app etc module system. So all of modules have a separate file system. Same as here, all module system available here. Like you can see inside the Magento you can see all module system like backup, backend, pantry, bundle, and catalog, rules, sales, CMS, checkout. All modules available here. So this is like 1.1 Magento 1 like app etc module system, right? And here is also available Luma. Where is Luma? This is Luma. So guys, this is Magento 2 directory system or architecture. So very much in this video. If you have any problem about directory system, please mail me or comments me. I definitely revert your question, the answer, and please don't forget for subscribe and see you in next video.